Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Penguins can date, marry, and divorce like humans. 70% of penguin marriages end in divorce. Canadian photographer breaks world record for deepest underwater photo shoot at 163 feet. Model poses on shipwreck without diving gear. There exist sand batteries that store thermal energy by heating sand to high temperatures, retaining the heat for extended periods and releasing it when needed to generate electricity or provide heating. The deadly guardians of Costa Rica's Tarcoles River. Deep in the Gulf of Mexico lies the Jacuzzi of Despair, a deadly brine pool that kills anything that enters its waters. A legendary ghost ship, the Flying Dutchman, is said to appear off the coast of South Africa carrying a crew doomed to sail the seas for eternity. Numerous sailors have reported seeing the ship, though it's never been conclusively proven to exist. Repeating someone's name immediately after they introduce themselves significantly improves your ability to remember it. China has an abandoned city of mansions overrun by animals. The Amphicar 770, produced in Germany from 1960 to 1968, was a unique amphibious vehicle capable of reaching 70 meters per hour on land and 7 meters per hour on water. This is an artist's concept of two-person Gemini spacecraft in flight, showing a cutaway view. The Gemini program was designed as a bridge between the Mercury and Apollo programs. In 1961, a spark plug was discovered encased in 500,000-year-old rock. X-ray analysis confirmed the object's metallic structure inside the stone. Warmer temperatures naturally elevate body temperature and increase blood flow. This heightened circulation nourishes hair follicles, providing them with an extra boost for faster growth during the summer months. The fences outside some of the South London's estates are made from recycled World War II stretchers. It is estimated that 6 to 10% of incarcerated women are pregnant, with as many as 1,400 births in prisons annually in the United States. Before it was demolished, this was the world's smallest target. Almost 10,000 youngsters turned into sadhus during the Kumbh Mela in 2019. Surprisingly, most of them were management and engineer graduates. Cats evolved mewing mainly to interact with humans, as it is not part of their natural communication. Boxing gloves in ancient Rome were fitted with metal to increase the brutality. The teeth of a victim of the Vesuvius eruption that destroyed Pompeii 2000 years ago. They were in perfect condition in life due to a combination of dietary and environmental factors and remain so to this day. Four friends bought a deserted Florida island for $65,000 and turned it into a paradise worth $14 million. Kendall Cummings, a college wrestler who wrestled a grizzly bear to save his friend. You can hire a coffin confessor in Australia who will gate crash your funeral and reveal all your secrets to your loved ones. This heart-shaped amethyst geode was discovered by miners in Uruguay. They split open a rock and inside was a pair of matching hearts. High-quality lenses made of rock crystal were found among Viking artifacts. They are so well made that they could be used in a telescope. They were crafted 1000 years ago. hundreds of years before Galileo. Nobody is more stressed than a man trying to get successful at a young age. A dead person's mind and consciousness continue to work, at least for a short time, meaning the deceased can recognize their own death. You will face many defeats in life, but never let yourself be defeated. The world's first permanent virtual reality movie cinema has opened in Amsterdam. Viewers can turn in their chairs to see the movie in 360-degree. The half-life of bismuth is over 1 billion times the estimated age of the universe. A company called No More Wolf is developing a device and software which monitors dogs' brainwaves and translates mental states into English so that they can tell us how they are feeling. Top 9 Wonders of Tamil Nadu. Koli Hills, Ooty, Vivekananda Rock Memorial, Dhanushkodi Beach, Thirumayam Fort, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Memorial, Mahabalipuram Monuments, Marina Beach, Thanks for watching.